Welcome back, guys, to the second part of this movie.
Hello, have you taken your daily magic mind shot yet?
No, I have not yet, but can't you see I'm currently filming an intro? Yeah, but don't forget your shot. Well, now that you're here, we might as well be talking about Magic Mind. Magic Mind is the world's first productivity shot and comes with more than 15 ingredients. Oh, also, don't forget about the nootropics. Yes, I will. Can you please let me talk now? Thank you. As I was about to say, the Magic Mind Shot has nootropics inside as well as vitamin B complexes such as vitamin B2, 3, and 12. And B60. Dude, there isn't even a vitamin B60. Anyhow, the B vitamins support cognitive performance, boost the immune system, and reduce stress. Oh, but actually, good point. Magic Mind offers a money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Yes, and you will get 20% off at the checkout with the code LenaLuciia20. Okay, awesome. Now, as I originally wanted to say, we headed to the Ocean Film Tour that evening. Let us start the video. In case you do not know about the Ocean Film Tour, it is a Europe-wide film festival featuring the best short movies of the year, all revolving around the ocean, surfing, sustainability, diving, ocean animals, and more. This was Louis' 6th year going, and we love going every year because it brings our awareness back to what is really important and it creates a sense of community. And also the movies are just absolutely amazing. Speaking of communities, the very next morning I partook in a skate event in Munich, brought to life by Louis and my favorite surf cafe in town, Santo Loco. I was a little nervous beforehand, but I did have the best time. It was so much fun to connect with like-minded girls and learn especially about the basics of surf skating, because everything I've learned so far was taken from the internet, and it was such a great experience to actually have someone show you tips and tricks and hone in your basic skills so you can have a more solid foundation to build upon. We also got free drinks and a free acai bowl, which was obviously amazing, but the best part was us 80 girls riding through Munich on their skateboards, longboards, and surf skates, radiating absolute girl power. Safe to say I had a great time that morning. To make that day even better though, we went to get Louis's bike fixed as well as get a vintage lady racing bike for me. I've had my old bike since 5th grade and it is safe to say that it has seen better days. Also, the main transportation in a small city like Augsburg is by bike, so I took some money in my hand and got myself a newly renovated vintage bike. I have yet to pick it up as they only renovate it after you pay the first half, but I am beyond excited to have a nice, well-working bike at home again. Back to our apartment. When I first moved in, I bought around 7 plants of varying size, all of which I killed accidentally or by lack of know-how. So Louis and I decided to start a new try and buy a wide array of different plants for our apartment after talking to an expert about our room light air situation. We had a marvelous time shopping for plant babies, and I still cannot get over the fact that I have bought a hibiscus like the ones in Hawaii, and I get to wake up every single day looking at this beautiful flower first in the morning to remind me of a great time on the island. Because of our surplus of plants, Louis went straight to work on a little extension of our non-existent windowsill so the plants and we would have more space to spread. I forgot to say, I bought the bike. let's see how I do as a unexperienced gardener, and let's see if I can rebottle. What is it called? I have no idea what it's called. Let's see if I can put them in their little houses. So while I repotted the plants, Luis finished his project and we were ready to give our new babies a designated spot. What do you say? Do you love
That's sick. That's so beautiful. That's gorgeous.
Is that how you envisioned it?
It's better.
Is that your vision coming to life?
It's better.
So beautiful. Oh, look. Oh my god. This is gonna be in every single one of my Instagram stories from now on. Some minor decorative adjustments around the place later, and we finally give you a little updated apartment tour with all the little features we added. Hello guys, come on in. As promised, the updated apartment tour. If you want to see the full apartment tour, we do already have one up on my channel, so I'll link it here or here, I'm not too sure, and also in the comments down below. This is the kitchen, nothing new here, we just have some food cooked and ready to be eaten. Here we have the first new feature. We just stacked one more of these, so we have more shoes, and you can see our shoe tower. I'm pretty surprised by how many shoes we own, but also half of these are Doc Martens, so I guess that kind of explains it. So this is the first little thing we have. Yeah, let's switch around. And then the second thing Luis also built is this little, actually not little, it's quite a big skate corner, which we are absolutely in love with. This is Luis's longboard. We have the penny board, we have a little cruiser, and the coolest feature ever is this surf skate holder, which is amazing. I can put it in here and she can stay and chill and hang out. We love this corner, it's absolutely amazing. Also, all of this is obviously new, as you've seen. We built this, we got it from IKEA and now decorated it, and we are in love with this because this kind of just clears all the clutter. Everything that lies around we can just put in here or there, and it can be hid away as well as here. So we are just a big sucker for this whole thing. I love it personally. We have our keys here. We have some cute camera accessoires. We also have some of our plants here, which is also the newest feature, which you just see me repot. They're still alive, so fingers crossed we're doing well. Into the main living room, as we have talked about before, this is our little baby living room, work, office, bedroom, all in one. So we don't really have a lot of new features other than the main highlight, which you also saw Luis build just now, is this new windowsill, and I cannot get over the fact of how much I love this thing. It creates so much more space without taking any space away. It's like absolutely perfect. We have the plants here, as you can see, they're thriving. My hibiscus still has some flowers on her, so I'm really proud of that. And Luis just added some of the little shells, some of our crystals, and a little VW van. It's like the perfect little corner. Also, Luis has all of his surf magazines, which he's really proud of, and they look beautiful here. I love having them stacked like this. What else? Oh, dude, obviously, turn around, full 360. We have a double mirror. We have one here and one here. And the elephant in the room, we obviously have the hemboard. Have a little reel explaining what it is, and I can redirect them to my Instagram.
I like that though.
Okay,
yeah,
so
that.
this is the hemboard. We're gonna have a full reel on my Instagram soon featuring this. So if you want to know more about what this is, where it's from, why we have it, all that stuff, you're gonna see that there. And I think that's it. I think that's all of the new features that we have. We absolutely love the space, and the next thing we're gonna remodel and revamp is the garden. So as soon as it stops raining, which I hope it will be soon, that is the next project. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye. Also, don't forget to check out Magic Mind. Bye-bye.